Yo, what's up? So we are in Ubud. Sayang just finished work and we decided to enjoy our last night in the cafe. Before the lockdown, I mean, because we'll be 18 days, you cannot dine in, so will be only takeaway. So it's good opportunity to be here. And what's the name of the place actually?
Oh, this one we are in Kakyang Bakery and Cafe. So yeah, I really love the cake here, so nice. And then the cafe that we used to go, I think that it's closed because I don't know, nowadays some restaurant maybe decided to get a close because of, you know, it's no point maybe open, I don't know, so that's why we just go here. And then yeah, Damian will
I will show you around
how it is Ubud.
But first, coffee first.
Right, so we decided to go to the second floor as nobody here, only us. And then while we are sitting, we can see the road situation in Ubud. Yeah, so this is Jalan Ubud, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so yeah, I think that in this road, I think this is the busiest road in Ubud where the restaurant, because this is just, if you go straight, will be Jalan Monkey Forest, and this one, yeah, this one is the busiest one. Alright, so quite many people coming in and out. So yeah, they have very nice cake. Now let's stroll around Jalan Hanoman. I'm so sorry I was saying the wrong name. I saying Jalan Pengosekan, but this one actually the Jalan Hanoman in Ubud. Let's go.
Alright, so that's how does it look the last night. Dine in the restaurants, having a coffee dinner, last dinner. That will be the break for 3 weeks, basically only for takeaway and delivery. So it's good opportunity to make this vlog even at night. So many restaurants still open and waiting for the little bit of luck of the customers. And we are strolling today around this street. There's the Terrace Ubud. And there's some restaurant over here with the jeep inside. Check this out, this car, that's the old Mazda. And this restaurant, belongs to the Plataran. They have even live band. Still last night before, hello, loud bikes still driving around. And the vineyard, if you're interested to buy some stuff for your lockdown, Kebaton. So basically it's like 50-50, some restaurants are open still and already from other side is so dark. Like this one, Kedaton, and even some guests here. Honey, this is the car park here on the, you have to like avoid them. And that's how it looks like. There is the area of the few restaurants. And here and over the wine shop. I don't know, so many wine shops in Ubud right now actually, I just realized. The Onion Company. And here at the corner is supposed to be one restaurant, but unfortunately gone, and it's like a little bit dark at some points, and the other points they are bright because so many restaurants, as you see, quite many motorbikes driving around also. Here we go. This is one famous Italian restaurant in Ubud, but not so busy actually. And Taco Casa over here. The guy driving on the, yo, what's up?
Delivery. You want some pizza? Delivery?
Yes, Mamma Mia. That's actually funny. Very positive guy. Well, he gonna be very busy in the next 3 weeks, I guess.
Yeah, I think that for the next few weeks that since the restaurant will not let you to eat inside, mostly like they will just open for deliveries.
Open for deliveries. Meanwhile, this is the Sukha Espresso, quite famous place. The Arteni Resort. Soul Bites. that's how it looks live right now in Ubud. This restaurant just looks pretty nice. It's like a more bar.
Okay, so Jalan Pengosekan, yes. Now this one is Jalan Pengosekan Ubud. So this road is famous also for the guest house, hotels. I think that some city hotel also here with a cheaper price, and also many tourist information and everything. So yeah, but seems like my god, something like dark here already. Villas and spa.
Gent Spa. Last time was closed, but they actually do the refurbishment and looks pretty nice. Nagi sushi. By the way, another wine shop. I don't know why so many wine shops in Ubud. That's actually quite interesting. Now I'm thinking about that. And that's how it looked like. Here is some local warung, I think. Where we see how's the life. What they are selling here. Nasi bungkus, fruit. Lady over there. Check this out, very colorful petrol station. Almost like a Christmas tree, but giving you petrol. That's actually cool. And the local kids smoke something here, drinking, eating. Nasi ayam, nasi babi, nasi bungkus. And here is already very dark actually. Alright, we come back to the starting point because there was so dark and a little bit scary. We knew already was scared a little bit. So we're gonna hit now into this direction. Yo, what's up? And here is some places. Friendly people as always. Yeah, that's how it looked like. Some places are open, some places are closed. Some new places and some other places are not exist anymore, normal thing. This is the Vape Bar for every smokers. Last time I make a vote, are you smoking? And they said, yeah, for breakfast, somebody said. That's cool. Yo, what's up, doggo? That's how it looked like. Dark again. Here we go. This is the some style of the Western Saloon. I think they changed the name, but the concept stayed the same, and the same building obviously. Not really, not so busy. It's a little bit darkish here. Yeah, here is some cozy warung. Alright, so this is the new restaurant in Ubud. Whoa!
Oh, so here is the famous yoga barn.
There, where is the lady go? But it's so dark. Here is some new restaurant opened just not so long ago. Yo, what's up, my friend? And here is some food truck. Also, an Alaya hotel open. Nice city hotel, I think. Never been there anyway. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And this is already the corner at the front of Jalan Monkey Forest. Auto Cafe, Vondage. Make a vlog there also some time ago. That's how it looks in general. Traffic in Ubud. It's already about 7 o'clock. Some people driving, still some tourists around also. And this is the Pizon Cafe, also quite famous. And yeah.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Ubud. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!